Vedas and Puranas play a very different role in Sanatan Dharma. But most of us don't know what is the difference between the Vedas and the Puranas. So viewers, today's episode is related to this topic. If you want to know what is the difference between the Vedas and the Puranas, then stay connected with us till the end of the video. World's oldest literature are the Vedas, a collection of religious, philosophical poems and hymns composed over several generations beginning as early as 3000 BC. The Vedas are composed in Sanskrit, the intellectual language of both ancient and classical Indian civilization. First of all, we'll know what are the Vedas. The Ved word originates from the Sanskrit word Vid, which means knowledge. Therefore, Vedas are called the books of knowledge. Vedas are also called Shruti. Here Shruti means to listen. This knowledge was narrated by God himself to the sages and saints. At that time, nothing was in written form, so this knowledge was retained as Shruti. In fact, the Vedas are more than 1 billion and 49 million years old. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. But it is said that there was only one Veda till the end of the Dwapar Yuga. Later, that Veda was divided into 4 parts to make it easier to understand. Rig Veda is called Dharma, Sham Veda is called Kama, Yajur Veda is called Moksha and Atharva Veda is called Artha. And on this basis, Dharma Shastra, Kam Shastra, Moksha Shastra and Artha Shastra were also written. Vedas mentions everything related to human beings. Now one by one we will know about all the Vedas. The first one is Rig Veda. Rig Veda contains 1028 hymns. That means it has 10,589 verses which are divided into 10 mandalas or book sections, which is dedicated to 33 crore different Hindu gods. The most often addresses gods were nature gods like Indra, Agni and Soma. The second one is Sham Veda. The Sham Veda is basically a collection of chants derived from the 8th and 9th book of the Rig Veda. These were meant for the priests who officiated at the rituals of the Soma ceremonies. There are painstaking instructions in Sam Veda about how particular hymns must be sung to put great emphasis on the sounds of the words of the mantras and the effect they could have on the environment and the person who pronounced them. The third one is Yajur Veda. The Yajur Veda of the wisdom of sacrifices lays down various sacred invocations, which are chanted by a particular sect of priests called Advaryo. They perform the sacrificial rites. The Veda also outlines various chants which should be sung to pray and pay respect to the various instruments which are involved in the sacrifice. The last one is Atharva Veda. The Atharva Veda is called so because the families of the Atharvan sect of the Brahmins have traditionally been created with the composition of the Vedas. It is a compilation of hymns but lacks the awesome grandeur which makes the Rig Veda such a breathtaking spiritual experience. Now we will know what are the Puranas. The total number of Puranas are 18. After this, about 18 sub-Puranas have been written, and in addition to this, 28 sub-Purans have been written by taking the remaining shlokas. In the main 18 Puranas, 6 Puranas are dedicated to Lord Brahma, 6 are dedicated to Lord Vishnu and 6 are dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Puranas which are particularly dedicated to Lord Brahma are Brahma Puran, Bhavishya Puran, Agni Puran, Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Brahman Puran and Padma Puran. The name of the Puranas dedicated to Lord Vishnu are Vishnu Puran, Narad Puran, Vamana Puran, Matsya Puran, Garud Puran and Srimad Bhagavat Puran. The people from Vaishnavism follow these Puranas. And the last 6 major Puranas which are dedicated to Lord Shiva are Shiv Puran, Linga Puran, Kurma Puran, Markandeya Puran, Skanda Puran and Varaha Puran. Now we will know what are the difference between the Vedas and Puranas. As we told that Vedas describes everything related to a human being. The rules have been given in Vedas through shlokas. that how to do every task properly in life. But in Kali Yuga, it is very difficult for humans to understand Vedas and its belief and intentions behind each element. The Puranas attempt to understand the rules of Vedas through stories. Through the stories of Sanatan Dharma, we can understand better how we have to move in which direction in our life. So viewers, we hope you like this information. We will cover more interesting topics from Sanatan Dharma. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.